Hello everyone. Welcome to Classic Lab. Hope you all are doing well. Safely of household and similar electrical appliances. It includes storage water heaters, geysers, room heaters, electric iron, immersion water heater, heating element and so on. Safety tests according to 302 and performances are to be done as per the individual standard. Today's we will discuss about stationary storage type electric water heater. Let's start. Classic Testing Lab is one such reliable place where you can get a complete range of testing services to meet regulatory and technical requirements across the globe. Appliances are tested for their energy consumption, efficiency, class labeling and electrical safety. IS standard is IS 302, Part 2, Section 21, 2018. IS 2082, 2018. Main tests for stationary storage type electric water heater is power input and current, temperature rise, leakage current and electric strength, moisture resistance, leakage current and electric strength after humidity, mechanical strength, protection against access to live paths, transient over voltages, overload protection of transformers, resistance to rusting, standing loss, hot water output, mixing factor. Some of our valuable clients are BHEL, Mahindra Rise, SGS, Mazaber, Unilever, Gale, Makuni, Havels, Pale, Minder, Haldirams, BIS, HCL, Yamaha, TVS, AB, Toyota, Intertech, Wipro and so on. Our contact info is email address classiclab@gmail.com. Phone number 9717699751. Address Classic Chowk, Sector 65, Noida. Website is www.classiclabindia.com. Thanks for watching this video. And do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.